Aloha, my C8 Corvette High Wing Spoiler now has clear coat on it. I just have to wait 24 hours and then I can color sand and buff and it will look like brand new. I used ChromaClear because it's a really high quality clear coat and it has a Hardner, so it makes it easy to wet sand and buff. Well, this is the other side. I can't wait for my quick jack to get here so that I can jack my car up, take the wheels off, remove the bumper, and install this thing. My carbon flash stripes came out really good. When I put the winglets on the ends, that will just give it a little bit more. Anyways, aloha and stay safe.